How to fix iOS 18 update not showing. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the storage box, type in beta.apple.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Now, scrolling down, you'll find the option of Sign Up and Sign In. Click on the option of Sign In and provide your Apple ID's credentials, username, and the password. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to this page. Here you're going to find different device options: iOS, iPad, Mac, and tvOS. Select the option of iOS, then scroll down. You'll see the option of Enroll your iOS device over here. Click on that option. You'll be directed to this page and the iOS download process will start. Before downloading, make sure you have Archive a backup. Once completion of its download, you can close this and launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General, click on Software Update, click on Automatic Updates and toggle on for these options. After you toggle on for these options, hit back. You'll find this option of Beta Updates. Click on it. Over here, you'll find the list of beta versions. You'll also find the option of iOS 18 Public Beta. Check in for it. Then head back. Now from here, you can easily download it. Just click on Download and Install. With that, your software will be updated to iOS 18. So this way you can easily fix iOS 18 update not showing. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.